Hi guys, welcome to Sadi's SFDC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to know about the quick actions in Salesforce. What is quick actions? The quick action is a button which allows user to perform actions on request directly from the record page. It saves the need to enter into the record page of each individual record. Quick action button can be found at the top right corner of the record pages. Why do we need this quick action? Quick actions allows user to quickly process single record on demand in a single click. Quick actions in Salesforce provide convenient access to records to the user. User can create or update records, send email, log calls, and run flows directly from the object. There are two types of quick actions available in Salesforce. Those are object-specific actions, global actions. We are going to see object-specific actions in this video and we will cover global actions in our next video. Object-specific actions can be used in standard and custom objects. This action button will be available only in the specific object and able to call this action from that object record page. This is the student object. If you want to create mark details for this student, we have to go to the mark details and click the new button and create new record here. But using the quick actions, we can add mark details within the student object itself. Let me show you. Click the settings icon and click edit object. Click buttons, links and actions. Click new action. In action type, there are multiple processes are there. Create a record, sending email, log a call, custom visual force, update a record, lightning component, and lightning web component and flow. We can do all this process from here. I am choosing create a record. Target object will show all the child objects of student. Here mark object is the child object of student object. Choose mark details. Give some meaningful name in label. We can give success messages too. Click save to save this. This is the form which will be shown to you when you click that quick action. This is the fields of mark details object. You can reassign or add some more objects here so that those details will be visible there to capture. Click save. After creating the quick actions, we have to go to the page layout to add it in page layout. Click quick actions and choose the quick action which we have created now and drag and drop it. Drop it on the quick actions in Salesforce. Click mobile and lightning actions and choose the action which we have created and drag and drop it. In Salesforce, mobile and lightning experience actions. Save it. Now go to the student objects record page and click the button list. Now you can see the create marks quick action has been added. Click it. Now you can see a form for capturing the mark details has been opened and the student is already linked. You can give the details here and save it so that mark details object can be saved from the student object itself. This is one of the use of object specific actions. As I already said, you can create records, log calls, send emails and do many other things in quick actions. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.